My hair can be so hard to deal with. It's frizzy, very textured. I need great products that I know will work in the humidity. I cannot wait to see how these products work.
Okay, so today we're going to use Save Me From Thermal Obsession on Adrian's hair. I'm choosing this one because she has really long, thick, coarse, curly hair. I'm also using it because it has a lot of exotic plant oils and butters in it that will actually make her hair really moisturized and soft. Save Me From Thermal Obsession has marine brown algae in it to give superior thermal protection. Her hair will be 201% more hydrated, and 91% less split ends, and 81% stronger. Okay, so let's come back and shampoo. Today I'm going to mix Thermal Obsession with her regular conditioner to supercharge it. So we're going to mix this together really well and then apply it to her hair. Because Adrian's hair is so thick and textured, we're actually going to be putting it down with our hands and working it through with the heat of our hands to make the hair smoother. Because her hair is so thick and textured, it dries out very quickly, so we're going to spray each section with water to make sure that all the product gets all the way through her hair. We're putting Adrian under the micro mist machine to enhance the results of her treatment. The ultrasonic molecules of water open the cuticle, allowing the treatment to penetrate deeper into the hair strand. It's been 30 minutes, so now we're going to take her back and rinse her hair out. Okay, so we're going to use a little bit of the product here, dispense it out. And what we're going to do is work it into her hair through all the curls and finger comb everything so we don't pull all the curl out of the hair. I'm going to scrunch product into the hair, push more curl into the hair instead of pulling it out. So we have plenty of product in her hair right now, and what we need to do now is add water to work all the product through the hair. So one thing with curly hair, and I was actually informed by Adrian about this, is to tip it upside down and to put product in on the underneath to avoid frizz all over the hair. So the key to curly hair is to sandwich the product through versus finger combing it through to keep the curl families together. So after sandwiching all the product into the hair, we're going to lift and scrunch the hair back together. So we're going to use medium heat and low air velocity on the diffuser to make sure that there's not a lot of curl pattern that's blowing out and frizzing out, and then also the lower heat is going to protect the hair from drying out. So the hair is 90% dry, and we're going to twist the hair up and define the curls. So you can see by just doing a few of the curls, the texture is already changing and coming back in. The little details while working with curly hair are what's going to make it great and different.